Diane in Denmark here, and bit of a different video for you today. I have to do a voiceover. Why is that? We are in lockdown and my hubby and the kids, they are working, but if you're very quiet, we can just carry on as usual. So anyway, I've already got the table set and I'm showing you one of our very easy family favorites, using things from stock cupboard, from your pantry. And what are we making? We are going to be making dal. Now dal is made, I'm making it with red lentils, but the fun ingredient today is yummy coconut milk. So anyway, let's get started. I've already washed my hands and got my apron on. And in the pot, I have got a chopped onion. I'm just lightly frying that. Now, keep it on a low heat because you don't want it to burn. And if you like a lot of onion, you know, go for 2 or 3. It'll depend on the size of your onions, but I've got 1 onion in there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a wee bit of garlic and a bit of ginger. Now I have them all, we use a lot of garlic and ginger in our cooking, so just showing my spoons. Of course you can use fresh, if you've only got dried garlic, salt, I mean you just use whatever you have. I'm just adding mine to the pot, so I've got garlic and ginger, and you're just going to fry that lightly along with the onions, and you'll soon start smelling it. Yeah, I wish we had smelly vision, but anyway, let's just do as we can. Okay, you should be able to smell the ginger and the garlic and the onion by now, and that means it is time to add in all the other ingredients. We're just basically going to put everything in the same pot. I've got various dry spices here, and of course the main ingredient are the lentils, the red lentils, which I have rinsed in water, and I've just left them to drip at the moment. And I get these bags at the supermarket, 400 grams. Here's the, about half of that packet. And if you want to know what that is in cups, because I know some of you measure in cups, it works out, as I remembered, as 2 cups. Like if you've got one of those Pyrex jugs like I have, it's the 2 cup mark. There we are, 2 cups. So 2 cups of lentils, and then you rinse them and just let them drip off. Right, I think we're ready to get our spices in there. Oh, and I'm just showing you my apron. So let's get the spices in there. I just eyeball these things, but I'm starting off with some curry mix, just a curry powder. I do like 1 to 2 tablespoons. You can't really go wrong with it. And remember, you don't need all these different things. It's just what I have on hand. The next one is cumin powder, and I do like a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of that, or just give it a wee shake. Next one is turmeric, or gurkemeje as it's called in Denmark. That's the bright yellow one, which will give you a nice colour. And then the next one I'm going to add in is some coriander, dried coriander. Wee shake of that. Remember, just use what you have on hand, what your family likes or doesn't like. We like to add a wee bit of heat, so I've got some chili flakes. Maybe you've got some hot pepper. Remember, if you've got small kids, you don't want to have it too hot. You can always just put the chili flakes on the table afterwards and add as you serve it up. Right, get that mixed in. And the next thing I'll add will be stock. I'm using vegetable stock. And the other thing is the coconut milk. Give it a good shake before you open it so you get it nice and blended. And I'm using, 400 mils, which is just 1 normal size can, like the size of your hand. There we go. And I always use the stuff that's full fat. If you want to use light, that's up to you. Let's get it all mixed in. You can see we've got the spices in there now. And I've just turned off the heat and we're going to add everything. So first of all, in with the red lentils, and in with the coconut milk. And then the next thing will be the stock. And I like to just pour the stock into the coconut milk tin just to make sure we get every last goodness out of that tin. And I'm starting off with 2 cups of vegetable stock, which is like half a litre. There you are, you can see what it's like. And a wee bit of salt and freshly ground pepper. And you may need a wee bit more stock depending on how gloopy you want your dal. But this is it before, just as we put it onto the heat. And you want to keep on a fairly low heat because we don't want to burn it. You don't want to burn its bottom. But just a kind of low heat. And it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes. And as I said, if you want a more gloopy dal, maybe you want to add some more water or stock. Anyway, we'll let that do its business. Remember to clean as you go. We're going to do a poopa. Pick up and put away. Okay, how's the dal doing? It's looking good. Just give it a wee stir from time to time. And we like to serve our dal over basmati rice, any kind of rice, with some naan bread or pita bread. That was what was on offer at the supermarket this week. You can have some spinach. You can even add it right into your dal, or you can just mix it in on your plate, whatever you like. And the best thing for me is lots of lovely coriander, cilantro. I love that. The family aren't fussed. And mango chutney. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little thing. All we've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish sugar be with you. And I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye for now.